Regions of Japan. The Japanese have made contribution across a number of scientific and technological domains. In particular, the country has played crucial role in digital revolution since the 20th century, with many modern revolutionary and widespread technologies in fields such as electronics and robotics introduced by Japanese inventors and entrepreneurs. Japan has the world's third largest economy, having achieved remarkable growth in the second half of 20th century after the devastation of Second World War. A glance back through time reveals how the craftsmanship spirit is part of Japanese history. Here are just some of the inventions of Japan pioneers which have had a real across Japan history. The first invention is the floppy disk. The floppy disk used to be the choice of media before the introduction of the compact disc and USB pen drivers. In the mid 1990s, more than 5 billion floppy disks were sold around the world every year. This once very useful invention was developed by Japanese Dr. Yoshiro Nakamatsu in 1952. Floppy disks were key to the growth of the software industry. Users could also save their work on the disk so that documents could be transferred between computers, and it was adopted by IBM commercialized in 1971. The second invention was the compact disc. The compact disc or CD is a digital optical disc data storage format that was co-developed by Philips and Sony to store and play digital audio recordings. Sony first demonstrated the use of audio or compact disc in 1976, are perhaps the most important technologies to come out of Japan. Next is the portable music player. The world's first of these portable players was developed by a Japanese manufacturer by Nobutoshi Kihara in 1978. Listening to music on the go is now a part of our daily life around the world. The invention was the standard for portable music for almost 20 years. The story of the invention that made it all possible. The fourth one invention is the calculator. In March 1902, Yazo applied for a patent on his mechanical calculator called the Yazo arithmometer. Ryoichi Yazo is the best known for his invention of Japan's first mechanical calculator. Although the first so-called compact calculator was also made in Japan, it wasn't until 1971, helping to conserve battery and brain power around the world. Number 5 is digital SLR camera. The first known digital camera with single lens reflex elements was the Sony Mavica Japanese. The Sony Mavica Japanese or magnetic video camera is a discontinued brand of Sony cameras which removable disc as the main recording medium. On August 25, 1981, Sony unveiled a prototype of the Sony Mavica as the world's first electric still camera. Next is the videocassette recorder or VCR. This technology revolutionized the movie industry change. Prototypes of videocassette recorders were developed in 1960s, but the first relative convenient and low-cost VCR was introduced by Sony Corporation in 1969. The Sony creation made available in 1971 represented the start of a new era in home entertainment. The seventh is the camcorder, an electronic device that combines a video camera and a video recorder into one unit. Typically for out-of-studio consumer video recording, commercial digital recording was pioneered in Japan by NHK and Nippon Columbia. Nippon Columbia, known as Denon, the first company to make and release a digital recording. This product class was therefore called digital tape recorder. The eighth invention is the quartz wristwatch. This is the top invention of Japan, released in 1969, named Seiko Astron. Quartz technology represented a substantial upgrade over old-fashioned mechanical watches, which caused a timepiece revolution with their accurate timing. 9 is the flat panel display, a pocket television released in 1982. The FD210's display was a paltry 5 centimeters, but the technology involved was impressive and paved the way for the home entertainment. Flat panel displays are thin, lightweight, provide linearity, and are capable of higher resolution than typical consumer-grade TVs from earlier eras. The last invention was robotics. The world's first Android DER-01 was developed by a Japanese research group. Japan became the most advanced robot nation because of not only a high-level technology but also a influence of the Japanese robot culture. Example is the Astro Boy, the first famous robot anime or comic since 1951. Android is a humanoid robot with strong visual human likeness developed by Osaka University and manufactured by Kokoro Company Ltd. Asimo is the one of the most advanced humanoid robot in the world. Asimo was designed and developed by Honda to be a multifunctional mobile assistant with aspiration of helping those who lack full mobility is frequently used in demonstration across the world.